Hey everyone, it's Kendall here and welcome back to my channel. I've been wanting to film this video for a while now. I have been in Bali for 3 weeks and I've been wanting to film a villa tour, but I've been so busy with getting settled in Bali and having fun and enjoying life that I haven't had the time to make the video. So finally, here it is, a villa tour! Alright, so I'm here standing right outside of our villa. This is actually the second villa that we're staying in because we moved villas last week. However, we didn't move that far because our first villa is right next door and I will show you that in a bit. But first, let's check out our villa here. Alright, so this is a 3-bedroom shared co-living villa just north of the main city of Canggu. It's super cozy and homey, has its own pool, kitchen, and living room, and we absolutely love it. Let's go check it out. The pool is super nice because it gets very hot during the day here in Bali, so it's nice to jump in and cool off or read and tan by the pool. A pool is definitely a necessity when getting a villa in Bali. Alright, so we are now in one of our favorite parts of this villa, the kitchen. This kitchen is really nice because it's a big Western style kitchen. Most villas in Bali don't have a big kitchen like this, and this has a full stove with a blender and everything you need to cook, and we love making smoothies in the morning, making our breakfast and cooking dinners. So a big kitchen is really important to us. And this kitchen is really nice because it has tons of storage, so we keep all of our food over here. So let me just show you a little bit of what's in our pantry. We didn't buy that much because we kind of only cook breakfast when we're here. So we have our vegan protein powder. We have chia seeds for our smoothies. Got some creatine and vitamins for me. Creatine for Alex. Olive oil for cooking in the morning. Got coffee, of course. Drink this every single morning and I make it with French press. And then we just have some snacks, some granola and nuts if we're ever hungry during the day. And then usually we either go out for lunch or dinner or we order food in. Super easy to order food here. It's almost like Uber Eats, but it's called Grab or Gojek, and you just order food and it's like 50-cent delivery and they come in 15 minutes. Even better than Uber Eats. Alright, so that's enough of showing you what's in our pantry. One of my other favorite parts about this villa is the living room. It's super cozy and it makes you feel like you're at home. Alright, so what we really love about this villa is the nice, open, cozy living room. A lot of villas in Bali don't have a nice living room, and this is great because there's a huge couch that we can lay on. I like to come here in the morning and drink my coffee right here and journal, and then at night we can watch Netflix on the TV, so it makes it feel really homey and cozy when we're away from our actual homes in California. Alright, now on to the bedroom. So this is our room. It's nice because it's on the bottom floor so we don't have to walk up and down the stairs all the time, and it's right in front of the pool. Let's check it out. So this is our room. It's really nice and big and cozy. There's a full queen size bed here, great AC, and we have a lot of storage over here in the cabinet. So this would be considered small for me back in California because I have a lot of clothes, but here in Bali it's more than enough for both me and Alex. I've kind of taken over the entire cabinet. Alex only has this little cabinet. He didn't bring as many clothes as me, so he doesn't need as much, which is nice. And then all of our shoes are lined up down here. And then it's also nice because we can put our giant suitcases that we brought up here so that we can leave more room on the floor. And we have a cute little desk over here. It has great lighting and it's a perfect spot to get some work done. All right, let's move on to the bathroom. Alright, so this is the bathroom. It's definitely a lot nicer than our last bathroom. It's very open and airy. It's half indoor, half outdoor. There's a lot of light and there's a lot of room for all of our stuff. Also, favorite part about the bathroom is the shower. It's an outdoor shower. Come check it out. We got a nice big tub here and then this gorgeous outdoor shower. This is where we shower, obviously. And it's really nice because it has a lot of storage for our shampoo and conditioners. Alright, so this is my side of the bed and this is my nightstand. I like making my rooms feel very homey and cozy and aesthetic, so I like to set up my nightstand with things that I love and need to use all the time. So I have my journal right next to my bed, so when I wake up, I journal in the morning, and before I go to sleep, I like to journal. And then I also have this lavender pillow mist that I bought here, so I like to spray it before going to sleep. Then I also brought a collection of crystals from home, so I have some smoky quartz and rose quartz, some other crystals. Then I also brought some sage from home. I like to burn sage when I move into a new place because it's really good for clearing the energy. There's also scientific evidence behind sage. Look it up. Then down here I have some other journals and my makeup because I like to do my makeup in this mirror out here. And then just some other quick, easy to reach medicines that I might need during the night. Alright, so that is the end of the tour of our villa. Although we moved from the other villa a week ago, we still have access to it. We really like to use the yoga room and the pool over there, so let's go check it out. You look so cute! Hi! I'm filming a video. Say hi. Hi. Come here.
Why are you filming this?
We're filming a video of the tour. We're doing a villa tour. You want to jump in the pool for the video?
No, I will die. What? Watermelon. Hey.
Hi.
Tell us about your birthday.
My birthday's now.
How old are you?
5.
You're 5. As of when? Oh, be careful.
Alright, so those were our neighbors from Happy Days Villa. We stayed here for about 2 weeks before we moved, and this is a bigger villa with 10 different rooms and a lot of people living here. We loved living here. The vibes, the energy, the people were so nice, and so we come back here a lot to hang out in the pool and go up to the yoga room, and we're actually going to a 4-year-old's birthday party today. It's going to be so much fun. He's turning 5, so let's go check out the rest of the villa. Okay, so now I'm going to show you my favorite part of this villa, the yoga room. I like to come here every morning and stretch. The sunset is also beautiful from up there, so let's go check it out. So this is the yoga room. It is huge, it's gorgeous, it's my favorite part of the villa. So the yoga room is equipped with yoga mats and blocks, and there's also this really cool whiteboard that we like to come up here and do our brainstorming sessions at. So on top of this gorgeous yoga room, there's also a second yoga room and a rooftop deck up here, so let's go. Alright, so that's the end of our villa tour. Thank you guys for coming along. Just to give you an idea about how much this villa costs, it costs $600 US a month. So split between Alex and I, that's $300 a month, which is such a good deal compared to how much rent costs back in LA. For Bali though, that is a little bit more on the expensive side because we're getting cleaning twice a week, there's really good Wi-Fi, and it's just a nicer living style in Bali. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment below your thoughts on the villa, on the prices. Do you think it's expensive or do you think it's super cheap? And let us know what you think. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and stay tuned for the next Bali video. See ya!
Alright, let him go.
Happy birthday, Pedro!
Happy birthday.
Ah.